Hey guys, it's Andrew. Here is a tutorial for a glowy look. I'm just prepping my skin with a serum and a moisturizer from Claudel and just really working it in to prep my skin for makeup. And then I'm going to be going in after this with the YSL Tui Chiclat, I think that's how you say it, the Skin Perfector Blur stuff that's kind of like a cream, not really a cream consistency, but it's different. I'm just using a little triangle sponge to apply that kind of to the problem areas of the face underneath my eyes and stuff. And then I am using a color corrector from NYX and applying that with a brush just underneath my eyes and on my eyelids just because there's sometimes some heaviness there with the discoloration. I'm working that in with a damp beauty blender. Just kind of different places of my face. I put it around my nose and stuff like that too. Then I'm taking an illuminator from NYX and my Makeup Forever HD liquid foundation, mixing it together just to kind of give myself some like luminosity, if you want to say that, and putting that all over my face, working it in with my beauty blender, tap, 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 all of that fun stuff. The lighting's kind of bad in this. Yeah, and then I am going in with a concealer just underneath my eyes and any other dark places. It's very full coverage. I blended that in obviously, and then I'm going to go with a powder foundation just to kind of set everything. And sometimes it takes like a couple minutes for all of the makeup to look like finished, so it like looks kind of weird, and then once it settles it looks fine. And now I'm just filling in my brows. They look a little bit heavy, but a good thing to kind of like lighten them up is to use the spoolie on the end and just kind of like work it through, and that's what I eventually did. Opening up my eyes, I'm using a like my skin color pencil to like waterline my eyes, or line my waterline. Then I'm using a bronzer from MAC to do the high points of my face. And then I'm gonna make myself look a little bit tanned or sunburned, and it looks more natural than using like a bronzer. So I'm just using some like reds and pinks and browns from my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette and just kind of dabbing it on and then like blending it out with my fingers just on the high points of my face. And it looks like a sunburn, which makes you look more tan than if you're just using bronzer. So yeah, I'm just kind of putting that places where the sun would hit, and then I'm using like a gloss highlighter just to kind of bring those places to life and putting it on my lips and that kind of thing. And then I'm going in with a contour color, like a one that like has a gray base or whatever, not a warm one. And I'm just kind of putting it in the hollows of my cheeks and stuff just to kind of sculpt my face more so it looks more defined. And then I'm just blending it out with a big fluffy brush. And I think that's it. That's basically it. I might have gone in with a setting spray too, like a dewy one, just to give me more of like a fresh look. My hair, I used Layrite and a cream, and that's it. All right, guys, if you like this, click to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.